Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai soy sauce chicken noodle soup or ก๋วยเตี๋ยวไก่ตุ๋น Noodle recipe. Today I choose to do the chicken noodle soup because it's another one of the easy to make and famous in Thailand. So we're going to start with the spice. All the spice I already toasted to bring it up all the fragrant oil, the smell when you toast it, it will make it smell really good. Okay, and for the spice, they're little pieces. So I'm going to use the tea infuser. So I have 3 pieces the star anise. So I'm gonna put 3 pieces star anise in here, and I have the cardamom seed. This is I using the cardamom seed. Cause you not see I using cardamom seed a lot. So, and I use the 8 cardamom seed, and I use the 5 clove, and I use 1 teaspoon coriander seed. I use coriander seed, and I use the 1 teaspoon black pepper. So I'm going to put inside the infuser. Okay, and I'm going to use 4 cloves the garlic. I'm going to bake them up to open up all the flavor. So I use 4 cloves. I'm just going to use my knife to bake them up like this. All 4 of them. Okay. And another herb, I use the cilantro stem. I cutting about 2.5 inch, about 25 stem, and I tie them together so it's easy for you to remove. And I'm going to do the same thing with the garlic. I'm going to open up the flavor. In Thailand, we use the cilantro root, so you don't have to tie them like this because I just cut it and use the root. But I use just the stem, so I have to tie them. It's easy for you when you want to remove them. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to talk about before we move to the stove is dry shiitake mushroom. I use dry shiitake mushroom. They're a little bit small, so I use 12 of them. Before you using, you have to clean and soak them into the water at least 15 to 20 minutes before you using. Okay, now we're gonna move to the stove and start cooking. Okay, for the chicken today I use a drumstick. I use 8 pieces the drumstick. I'm going to put into the bottom of the pot. Okay, you can use different pieces chicken if you want to. I use 8 pieces. Okay, now I'm going to start to put all the ingredients. The cilantro stem, garlic, cinnamon stick, and all the spice I showed you earlier. Okay, all inside here, all inside the pot. And next, going to put some seasoning. I'm going to use the 2 teaspoons sea salt, 2 teaspoons sea salt. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons the oyster sauce. 3 tablespoons oyster sauce go in. 1, 2, and 3. And next I'm going to use the 3 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. 3 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay, and 3. And 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1, 2. Okay, and 3 tablespoons regular soy sauce. Okay, and the last soy sauce I'm going to use is a black soy sauce. I use the 3 tablespoons also to giving a very caramelized and very dark brown color. Because this is a soy sauce, chicken soy sauce recipe. Okay, so 3 tablespoons also. Right. Okay, next shiitake mushroom. If you use a bigger shiitake mushroom, you can cut the pieces to half, or you 4 pieces. It's all up to you. But this is a little bit small, so I'm going to use the whole shiitake mushroom. And next I have the 1 pound daikon. I cut them to about these pieces and this thick. 1 pound for the daikon. I gotta put them inside. Okay, wow, look at all this. And I also have the 1.5 tablespoon the brown sugar. Okay, everything go in. And now we're going to start as water. This recipe you don't have to use chicken stock. You can just use the water. I'm going to use 6 cups of the water. I already have the hot water over here. You can use room temperature water, but I use the hot water because I already have them on the stove. Okay, I'm gonna use 6 cups. 1, 2, and then 4, and 6. Okay, that you can see. Okay, now we're going to wait until all the, I'm going to give them the mix a little bit to make sure all the soy sauce, the mix well, they're not getting burned to the bottom. So I'm just going to mix a little bit, the gentle mix them. Alright, and now we're going to cook them in the medium heat. Wait until they boil and we come back and check together. Okay, let's come check our broth. Okay, now they start getting boiled. So I'm just going to open the lid and leave the lid open because now we have to remove the extra foam up here. Gonna be a little bit hard right now because the veggies just start cooking. You have to make sure really have to make sure to remove all the foam because otherwise your broth is not gonna clear. It's gonna be what to call it?
Cloudy?
Yeah, it's gonna be cloudy if you not remove the foam, the extra foam. And you're gonna cook this in the medium low heat. All right. I might gonna add 1 more cup of the water. Okay. I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. Okay, I add 1 more cup of water. Okay, that's all. And now I just going to let the chicken and all the veggies cook and just leaving the lid off like this so we can come back and check and remove the foam. Okay, while we're waiting for our chicken cooking, so now we come and prep our vegetable and sauce. I already have a clean bean sprouts and I already cut up the cabbage and also celery. In Thailand, most of the time we use we like to use the Chinese celery. It's more long stick with a lot of leaf. It's similar, it's just the smell a little bit stronger. I don't have that, so I just use the regular celery and thinly slice them. And also the topping, we like to use the cilantro and green onion. Alright, I prep all the veggies, but these two still have to put in the boiled water. Okay, and I'm going to make the sauce. So we need the chili garlic sauce. Okay, this is gonna be easy. We just put all the salt and vinegar together. So I'm gonna use the 2 tablespoons chili garlic sauce. 2 tablespoons. Okay, and I'm going to use 6 tablespoons the sriracha sauce. Okay, I will use 6 tablespoons. This is one of my favorite sauce when I eat the soy sauce noodle. Okay, and I'm going to use 3 tablespoons the vinegar. Okay, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. And now we're going to mix them together, to combine them together. It will be easy sauce. Okay, now being 1 hour that we let our chicken cooking. So now we're going to come and taste the broth. Make sure you're happy with the taste. It's supposed to be salty. and a little bit sweet and salty. I'm really happy. But and then I already say when I tell you when we making the broth, we have to come out and check every 10 or 15 minutes to remove the foam, so you have a very clear broth. Okay, now I'm going to lower the heat, and we can come here to cook some vegetable. I have the bean sprout. Okay, bean sprout going. I just going to cook bean sprout very fast. Okay, about 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's all. I'm gonna remove them. Cause if you cook them too long, they will be too soggy, too soft, and not gonna taste really good. We just want to remove the smell from the bean sprout. Okay. Okay, and next is gonna be the cabbage. Same thing. The cabbage is gonna cook really fast too. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm gonna remove them. Okay. You can see the color change, darker. That's it. That's all. And for the noodle, you can use whatever your favorite noodle. You can use rice noodle, you can use egg noodle, or you can use the ramen noodle, or you can use Vietnamese noodle. So your favorite noodle. Today I use a rice noodle, but for the noodle today I'm going to use a portion by portion. I'm going to cook a portion by portion because they only take 10-15 seconds to cook. So you not want it to cook and then all stuck together. Okay, and now I'm going to cook the noodle. Okay, water start come back boil again. All right, 1 handful the rice noodle. Okay, just gonna take it very quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. It's just about 10 to 15 seconds because you're going to put inside the hot broth again. If you cook them too long, it will turn to be mushy. Okay, that's all. Alright, I'm gonna put inside the bowl just like this, and now we got everything done cooking. We just have to put together. So I'm gonna show you over here. Okay, I turned off the stove. The chicken and the cooking inside the broth about 1 hour and 10 minutes. And look at this. It looks so good, and the broth look very clear. And then this one I'm gonna show you how to put together. Okay, and now I'm going to put veggies. You can use different veggies if you don't like these 2 veggies. Okay, so I have bean sprout and I have a little bit of cabbage here. And now I'm going to pick one of my the chicken. Ooh, look at this chicken. Wow, right in the middle. Look at the chicken. And then let's put some daikon. Let's put a few pieces of daikon and the shiitake mushroom. Okay. Okay. 3 shiitake mushroom. And now the siri, chicken, daikon, shiitake mushroom, siri. All right, and now we're gonna put the broth. What do you like? Look at how white, clear broth, brown, dark brown color. And smell really good right now. Okay. Wow, this is you can do for the party because it's easy. One pot you can serving 10 serving, or if you put more chicken. Okay, and now cilantro and green onion. Put them some green. If you okay, and some crispy garlic. Some crispy garlic. And if you like some heat from the white pepper, a little bit of white pepper. Alright. If you just like very plain and simple, you can just eat like this. But my favorite sauce for this recipe, I like to put my sauce. Okay, a sauce. A little bit sour and spicy, so just put much that you like and taste it first. If you need more, you can put some more. Okay, now try to mix everything together. And okay, I like to add one more thing. I know one more thing, but it's just personal. I like to add a little bit of smoky flavor. I want to put a little chili oil. This is a smoky flavor, so I put a little bit of chili oil. Oh, and look at this, it looks even better. It's shiny. Now time for mix together and taste. Okay, and look at the chicken. Oh, look at come out very easy. Let's taste just the chicken and the broth. Wow, you can add more broth, or if you don't like spicy, you not have to put the chili. It already tastes so good. So now gonna eat a little bit the noodle and it's hot. Noodle and bean sprout. Bean sprout, crispy, still crispy. I know this is gonna be really hot with the shiitake mushroom. Really good. Okay, I can eat more and more for the next bite. I can't finish this bowl, but I want to say goodbye first before I eat the whole bowl. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the recipe. If you like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.